Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this trending HDR video using CapCut. So if you want that bright, vibrant, high dynamic range or HDR look in your videos, you can easily use CapCut to achieve the stunning 4K cinematic HDR effect. Now, you can start by importing your videos into CapCut. So let's say I want to edit this videos right here. So first you can just head into filter and add the 8K filter. So you can just search for it in here, 8K. Okay, this one, add it into your clip. You can adjust the intensity to how you prefer. I think I'm going to go with 55. Hit on a check icon, and now go back and go to effects, video effects, and add the HDR to effect. This one's right here. Click on adjust and follow my adjustment. So for the glow, make it 0, range, lower it to only 10, and the size 30, as also the sharpen in 30. Now for the atmosphere, set it to 35. And the blur, I'm going to make it all the way into 0. And speed, I'm going to also lower it to 8. Hit on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length. And after that, go back into filter. And now add the 4K filter. Adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 70. And that's it. So this is the final look of the trending HDR video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up, leave a comment, click on subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.